So friends, our today topic is grouping Quaver triplet rests. So in this one, we will see the grouping, how we put the rest in the triplets. So you can see there are few examples over here given in here. You can see if there's a Quaver note first in the triplet, then there should be two rest in a Quaver rest, not one crochet rest. So you can see all these examples. I don't need to explain that. You can see as you are the wrong one will be this one, where you have the first beat given here, then you cannot put one crochet rest here. You have to put, as I told you here, you have to mention the two Quaver rest separately, not together one crochet beat. Okay, but if you want to, if there is a first Quaver rest, then you can put one crochet. I'll show you an example over here. So you can see this, this one. If there's a Quaver rest, then you can put one crochet beat, but not, you cannot do this way. Okay, these two. So just take care of this thing, everything else you can read over here. So without wasting your time, let's straight away start with the exercises. So our first exercise will be, let's start from here. So as you can see, they're saying add crochet or Quaver rest in the places marked by an asterisk to complete the bars. Use brackets where necessary. Okay, so we have to put the bars. You can see where they need the bars, they have put it, and they put it the crochet rest or a Quaver rest where they need it. So let's do the first one. So this is, you can see, make sure you know the time signature first, which is very important. There should be 3 by 4, that means 3 crochet beat value should be there in each bar. So in the first one, you can see there's an asterisk here, and they're given 2 Quaver beats. That means we need to complete this triplet, we need to have a Quaver rest here, and we make it a bracket. We make it a bracket with this one. Same thing, I think here again we make a rest and complete as a bar. So this is 1, so 1 2 3, again same thing here, this is same notes. So just a Quaver rest at both the places and complete the bar here. Okay, next you can see 2 by 4, that means 2 crochet beats. So they have given the starting beat and the finishing beat, they have given as a plain Quaver beat. That means we need a rest in between these two, and here as well. Okay, now here you can see they've given 1 Quaver, we need 2 more Quaver beats. So that means that means we need a value of a crochet rest, but we cannot put a crochet rest, we need to put 2 Quaver rest instead, and we make a bar over here. Okay, next we make, let's move to the last exercise of this one. This is 4 by 4, that means 4 crochet beat value in one bar. You can see 1 Quaver beat, so we need 2 more rest over here. So we have to make 2 Quaver rest, and we make it as a 1 bar. Here as well we have 1 Quaver beat, then we need 2 Quaver rest, and we make it a, we have to make it a bar, to write as a beat over here. Okay, here they have given 2 Quaver beats, we need 1 rest, so we put 1 rest in between. And as here triplet, in this one as well we need 1 rest here. Okay, so here we finish about this topic, which is a very small topic but very easy. Just make sure you go through all these settings of your just check all these groupings. So it is very useful for it. Try to remember it, or just do more exercises or practices with this kind of exercises, so you get more knowledge about that. Okay, now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you guys.